When I walk on by, girls be looking like Debbie Fly. I pick to the beat, walking down the street in my new
turn it
freak.
down a little bit. I think I found it.
It's about time. We've been driving for 2 years out here.
Dude, it's not my fault Siri couldn't find Car Wars.
Bro, you're a technology.
Dude, I'm a rep.
You're not a rep.
I'm a rep.
They never transition.
They never transition.
Never transition.
Can't happen.
Yep. I'm pretty stoked on the spinners.
Upgrade.
Dude, hey, whatever you do, just don't touch that red button right there. That's my NOS.
You mean NOS?
No, bro. NOS, you noob. This is the best part. Turn it up.
I'm sexy and I know it. Yeah.
Pretty sick stereo, huh? What do you got in the back, bro?
Dude, check it. Redneck alert.
3 o'clock. Bro, that's 9 o'clock. No, stop. No, you're done talking. That's 2. You're done.
The lack of respect.
Who even drives a truck anymore?
Dude, old McDonald.
Yeah, on his farm. I found it. No, you're not on that level yet. Sit back.
Hey, ask these guys if they know where Truck Wars is.
Hey, excuse me, guys. Do you know where Truck Wars is?
Watch this. You want to go ahead, make a right there, turn into the Sunnyview Retirement Center and ask for my grandma.
Hi, Grandma. Got him. Hey, you guys technicians, right? Hey, well, I actually just got a phone cell. It's up around the corner and up your butt. Oh, 2 for 2. If you keep on going straight to Skid Row, you hit Truck Wars. You know, back there. What? Stay. Man, invited this guy anyway. Steve's cramp.
Hey, they obviously don't know where it is.
Idiots.
Hey, thanks anyway, guys.
You want to do this?
You don't want to do it. Racing loves NOS.
All right,
let's do it.
Game on.
Dude, that doesn't sound good.
Chill out, it's enough.
No, that doesn't sound good. Dude, NOS failure. I know a lot of things and that does not sound good.
It's whatevs. We had them.
Yeah, we did. But real talk, something was wrong.
A dirt bike rider, a dirt bike rider, a dirt bike rider, a dirt bike rider. Win. Yeah. Oh no. Friends did. I just wanted to be a dirt bike rider, a dirt bike rider, dirt bike rider, a dirt bike rider.
One sec. Grandma! It's Jason. Yeah, Jason, your daughter Judy's son.
We need a new car. Tell her we need a new car.
No, we need a ride. Your daughter Judy.
A new car.
Guys,
What?
my map pulled up. Car Wars is just around the corner.
Damn it, over it. I'm hitting the hazards.